Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download the ABC app. So let's get started. So download the ABC app, you have to follow these steps. So the first step, if you are using Android, you can use your Play Store, and if you are using an iPhone, then you can use an Apple Store. So I will just go to the Google, and at here you have to search for your app. Okay. So here is the ABC app. Okay. Sorry. So here we can see ABC app. So here we have ABC many things. So I will just go with ABC News. Then at here you have to click on here. Then you have to click on ABC. Then you can just click on the install button. And when we just click on the install button, it will be automatically verify and install your app through Play Store. So you can just check from the authenticity of the app from here, and you can be get satisfied. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.